In 2028, it will involve lives and freedoms of people in power and those who would lose,
Yeah.
di ba? So, pagka, let's say, the Dutertes, then you have an opposition candidate or kung sino man yung kandidatong mananalo, alam nila na pag nanalo yung kandidato na yun, diretso sila sa kulungan. Wala na magpo-protect sa kanila. Di ba? Then you have geopolitics at play.
Yeah.
You have Taiwan on the table. So may US, China, proxy. Lahat ito, mabigat yung stakes. And therefore, talagang very, very dangerous yung campaign na mangyayari in the coming months. The Dutertes, everything on the table yan.
Yeah, all in.
All in yan. Hindi lahat ng dirty tactics, lethal, non-lethal tactics are on the table.